Customer lifetime value, the power of loyal customers. Hey there, future boss. Let's talk about something super important for your business and any business. It's called customer lifetime value, or CLV for short. It's just a really fancy way of saying why it's awesome when customers come back again and again. The value of friends and family. Think about your best friends or your close family. They've got your back, right? They're the people who stick around, not just for one day, but for the long run. Now, imagine a customer who supports your small business the same way. They don't just buy from you once, they keep coming back. Just like good friendships, loyalty is powerful. It means someone trusts you, believes in what you do, and wants to support you again and again. Businesses love loyal customers because they're like the best kinds of friends. They show up, they stay, and they bring value over time. Repeat purchases equals more revenue. Revenue is just a fancy word for all the money a business makes from selling stuff. Let's break it down. If someone buys something from you once, cool, that's a win. But if they come back 5 times, that's even better. Say your auntie buys your Clean Home Package for 99 Rand because she wants to support you. But then she tries it, she loves it, and realizes it actually makes her life easier. Boom, she comes back again and again. That's repeat purchases. Instead of making 99 Rand once, now you've almost made 500 Rand just from one loyal customer. Why businesses value loyal customers? Businesses know it's not just about making one sale. They want relationships, not just transactions. Why? Because keeping a loyal customer happy is cheaper and easier than trying to find brand new customers all the time. And guess what? Businesses often reward loyal customers with discounts, deals, and special offers, just like how friends share snacks or help each other out. It's a win-win. Using simple math. Let's do some quick and easy math. If you sell a clean home package for 99 Rand, that's your starting point. But if your customer loves it and comes back 5 times, you've just made almost 500 Rand from that one person. That's the magic of customer lifetime value. Because she is now a happy, loyal customer, she also needs 4 sponges, which go for about 8.99 Rand for one, which amounts to 35.96 Rand. She also needs 1 Air Fryer Cleaner, 54.99 Rand, Oxy Washing Powder, 34.99 Rand, with Oxy Laundry Detergent, 51.99 Rand, which she decides to buy from you. Now, you've just made 678 Rand from that one person. That's the magic of customer lifetime value. You're not just thinking about one sale, you're thinking about the long-term relationship. The bigger picture. When businesses focus on keeping customers happy and coming back, everybody wins. More loyal customers means more money for the business. More money means more jobs, and more jobs mean a stronger community. So, when you focus on building good relationships with your customers, not just quick sales, you're actually helping your entire community grow. So remember, customer lifetime value isn't just about numbers. It's about relationships, trust, and repeat support. Just like your best friends who always show up, a loyal customer is worth a lot more than just one quick sale. Be kind, be reliable, deliver good stuff, and watch your small business grow, one loyal customer at a time. Now go out there and build those relationships like a pro.